His opponent, hailing from Tri-Cities, Washington, at 235 pounds, he is Wonderful Zack Winters.
She said that he's so sweet, I wonder if they're right one. And she makes me like a lollipop.
All night long. Don't boo me because you're jealous.
Because he's arrogant. Sup? I like that girl's hair.
I know, she got it done back there. You can have your hair like that too.
Oh, thank you.
She goes, oh, go get your hair done,
We're
Tracy.
back, folks. I thought we were back. The bell just rang, but that's... Oh, come on. Up and tight. Coming out to the ring. Winters is not pleased. They had some words earlier. We all saw that. He's coming this way. Jordan, yes.
I'm gonna see you wrestle. You say I can't wrestle and I can't do it? Oh, come on. Hometown hero here says you can't wrestle.
Hometown of 12 people, yeah.
Hey.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Really?
Is there an echo in here?
Come on, everybody. Really?
Really?
Oh, look at that.
Psymon with the roll-up. Trying to sneak one in here on Zack Winters.
Now backslide it. Van Dyke is joining the commentary position.
Get back in the ring.
Who's out of the ring? Huh, Winters? Come on, big boy. Time out, really?
I'm seeing some of that hard-time favoritism too. I was brought in to be the chief commentator here. Zack Winters here, folks. Yeah, he's letting the ref count him a little bit, but Zack Winters is a very sly individual, loves getting in the head of his opponents. This is all planned. He was going to do this anyway. Time, Zack. Back in the ring at your time, not theirs.
4.
Ref's being pretty leisurely with his count anyway.
6.
Showing a lot of patience in the ring.
7.
Oh, with a cheap shot. Come on.
Again, the ref, he does not want a court of disqualification. That's not the way he wants this match to end. Nice high kick right to the face, though. They don't know class when they see it.
Come on, everyone. Make some noise for Psymon.
The 3 count there, we almost had a very fast match.
Tides turn pretty quickly here for Psymon. He's on the worst end of things currently.
That's how
Seriously?
When you're at the commentary, like you're supposed to be
Bring out
neutral.
Big Dave.
Neutral, what's that supposed to mean?
You don't pick favorites. You're a good friend of somebody like the Honorable Zack Winters.
And that's not playing favorites?
Not at all. Right down the middle.
Simon's looking for some crowd support.
Nice reversal by Winters. Psymon was about to break out of it there, but he's still in control.
He's familiar with Psymon. He definitely has some fight. Oh! Very
Psymon!
nonchalant pin
Psymon!
attempt there. Zach had to know that Psymon wasn't quite ready to be pinned, though. That was all insult right there. That was just getting into his head again.
The thing that really bugs me is this guy acts like he's all that in a bag of chips, so I think he's just short of all that.
Well, I don't know. You know how many championships he's had? He's been tag team champion all over Oregon at this point. Now, I'm afraid, I have to admit though, he's taking a little bit extra time here. There's confidence, but sometimes that confidence can come back and bite you. He really needs to stay on his opponent.
Don't count Psymon out yet. He's just getting warmed up.
Getting his head warmed up.
Let's hear it for your guy, huh? Come on, let's hear it for your guy.
Nice running knee right to the face. Zach is really targeting the chin and head area.
Psymon with a nice forearm to the face.
This is his chance now if he's going to try to turn things around.
Elbows dropping Zach right to his back each time.
Beautiful back row kick.
He's going for a pin.
Only a 2.
Well, Zach is definitely not taking a lot of punishment yet in this match, so I didn't expect a pinfall. But Psymon...
And I think that's going to do it. That's his finisher right there, folks.
1.
And that's it.
Winner of this match by